With the winter outlook just released once again, and not a whole lot of changes for our area. Again, across the northern plains here, upper Midwest, we're still going to have those very frigid temperatures at times. We're still going to get those typical winter storms, and of course the famous northern plains, the Dakota blizzards will still be possible for this 2020-2021 season. Let's take a step backwards though to 2019. This is for our first tenth of an inch of snowfall across parts of the area. You have to go back to about October 10th through the 12th across much of the Dakotas and into Minnesota for that first dose of measurable snowfall. And we're behind that a little bit this time of year. And again, some good news for those farmers that are really trying to get those crops finished up for the 2020 growing season, which is just about over across much of the Dakotas and parts of the Minnesota area. We're going to track below average temperatures here as we go throughout this mid part of October 18th through the 24th. Likely have a few highs into those 30s and 40s in this dark blue shaded area, which again does include North Dakota, South Dakota, most of Montana here, and all of Minnesota here. It's all thanks to this dip in the jet stream, what's called the trough here. It's going to help pull in some of that cool air from Canada and trap it across the northern plains, upper parts of the Midwest. And you'll see this taking shape here throughout all this upcoming week. That colder wave comes on through. Coldest part Saturday and Sunday, October 17th and 18th. Likely we'll see a brief retreat of that as we go into parts of the week, and we'll see temperatures into those mid to upper 40s here. That warm weather stays on the southern side of that jet stream, and we again remain on that chilly and cooler side with again highs 30s and 40s. And precipitation wise, we're not going to see a whole lot of precipitation chances, just a few small chances here and there. I think the better chance is going to ride right along that upward ridge of the jet stream here across parts of the Great Lakes and New England states for this upcoming week. And as we finish out October here we are October 25th, right on into Halloween of October 31st. We're still going to be dealing with temperatures well below average, with 30s, 40s, maybe a token 50 here at some point as we get into the later half of that second week here. And again, we're still going to experience those temperatures well below average, all thanks to the dip once again into the jet stream with above average temperatures along the eastern coast. And our precipitation chances still not going to move a whole lot, unfortunately. And we really could use the moisture here, as many across central and western North Dakota are developing that moderate to severe drought conditions. Even an extreme drought is starting to be picked up down across parts of southeastern South Dakota around the Sioux Falls area. So overall, what we're tracking here on the headlines, we're going to continue to have that big cool down throughout this week. And I do expect temperatures to kind of roller coaster as we finish out October and going through November. Up and down temperatures can be expected. And as we finish out October, precipitation chances will be small, but there will be a few.